Hello. This is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem Riot Games gift card online. First, go to shop.riotgames.com and then sign in to your account. Then click on Redeem Code link at the top. Now enter the 17-digit alphanumeric code that you can find at the back of your gift card. Hit Redeem Code button. Now you need to enter the 4-digit PIN under the scratch-off layer. After that, the gift card amount will be added in your account. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.